Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a drink from mint, cucumber and ginger, or for short we are making a cucumber and mint drink. Ingredients for the cucumber and mint drink include 2 large cucumbers, already washed and peeled ginger, some vanilla essence, water for washing, a tablespoon of salt, our blender here, our mint leaves which are already placed in a bowl of water, water for drinking, and a bottle. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, we are going to peel the mint leaves off its stem and then place them onto our chopping board. Now we pour some water into our washing bowl, add in the salt, mix it with our hands and then introduce into it the 2 cucumbers on the chopping board. After that, wash it thoroughly in the salt water, rinse it off with clean water and place them back onto the chopping board. Now we dispose of that water and then back into the same bowl we add in the mint leaves, then we start by cutting into the cucumbers. We'll cut both ends of the cucumber and then we cut them into slices. We are going to do so for both of the cucumbers. Then we bring together about 3 or 4 of the slices and then cut them into 2 equal halves. After that, we are going to pick up the cucumber pieces into a blender cup, add in the mint leaf, the ginger, some syrup, and some of the drinking water and then blend them until a smooth drink is obtained. So this is how it looks after it has been blended. So we are going to pour it into one of the bowls we'll be using today. This is the residue we obtained. So after that, we are going to add in the second batch of the juice and sift it as well until we obtain the same residue we have in the sieve. Then we blend the second one. After that, we are going to pour it into a sieve on top of a bowl for the sifting process, which we do for most of our juices here on the channel. After the sifting is done, we'll add in our flavoring agent, mix everything together and then pour it into our jugs and also bottle the rest. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.